This is the second update I did on my own in my Scorpio-N ZL diesel automatic today successfully. I did the first one last year in September 2024 and that was successful too. If you are thinking about updating it on your own, my suggestion will be don't do it while you are driving your car. Don't do it if you are in hurry and need to go somewhere with your car, and you must park your vehicle at a place where you think nobody will ask you to move it at least for an hour. Try to keep it under a shed if you can, so your car does not heat up too much. And the most important thing, network connectivity of your car should be strong. I park my Scorpio-N in basement and the connectivity of Idea Vodafone SIM fluctuates there that you can see. So I brought my vehicle outside where signal strength is full and then started the update. The last update took around 45 to 50 minutes and I expected Mahindra will make an improvement for the time duration. But there was nothing like that. This update also took almost the same time while I need to have the car engine running and it burns diesel. You just need to click on update and the whole process will move on its own. The SOC and TCU items will be done in around 10 to 15 minutes, but the VIP item will take maximum time, around 25 to 30 minutes. The screen will go on and off multiple times and blink too while the update is being installed. You don't need to do anything from your side. The message at the bottom, Reflasher version v6.8.8 may confuse you, as it was same when the last update came in for Scorpio-N last year in September 2024. But this package installs version 10.45.25 from the last one 10.34.85. It's good that Mahindra has enabled Scorpio-N owners to install the update themselves. That would definitely take hours if owners visit a service center. But the time which is taken for this whole process is on a higher side. It takes around 45 to 50 minutes and this needs an improvement, as the 2200cc car engine runs and burns diesel while update installs. Thank you for watching.